A derived table is a dynamic virtual table that you create within the universe structure. It consists of a set of SQL statements that you create in the information design tool, and that you can then use as a logical table to create objects. In this tutorial, you will create a derived table based on an existing table in the data foundation. Note that this tutorial was recorded using SAP Business Objects Information Design Tool 4.0, version 14.0.0, v 2010-1019-0760. To navigate, use the viewer controls or follow the on-screen instructions, if available. Create a new derived table based on the service table. Right-click the service table. Click Insert. Select Derived Table. Name the new derived table. Type Service EUR, and then click OK. The new derived table is placed in the data foundation. Move the table to the desired location. Click to drag and drop the Service EUR table to the new location. Modify the new derived table. Right-click the Service EUR table. Select Edit. The columns and values of the Service EUR table are identical to the original service table. Change the expression. You can modify the derived table by directly typing the new SQL expression into the text box, or you can compile the appropriate SQL expression using the available table and function options. The select statement changes the table to display the price in euros by multiplying the values by the conversion rate. The Group By clause gathers all of the rows together that contain data in the columns listed, and allows aggregate functions to be performed on those columns. Click Validate. Click Close. Apply all changes to the SQL expression of the derived table. Click OK. Incorporate the new derived table into the existing data foundation. Click the Insert list. Select Insert Join. Create a new equi-join between the service table and the new Service EUR derived table. For the purpose of this tutorial, the tables and columns that make up the equi-join have already been selected for you. Click OK. The new Service EUR derived table is added and incorporated into the existing data foundation. Test that the derived table is created correctly by previewing the data. Right-click the Service EUR table. Select Show Table Values. The service values and price in euros of the new derived table are shown. Close the Showed Values in Service EUR tab and return to the Data Foundation view. Click Close. Click Save. You have successfully created a derived table based on an existing table in the Data Foundation. This is the end of the tutorial.